Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about crochet baby bottles. Crochet baby bottle covers are adorable and practical accessories that are designed to fit cover standard baby bottles. They provide insulation, protections and a soft surface for babies to hold while feeding. Here's a description of a typical crochet baby bottle covers. A crochet baby bottle cover is handmade using a crochet hook and soft baby friendly yarn. It is crafted to fit snugly over the body of a baby bottle, leaving the nipple exposed for easy access during feeding. The cover is typically cylindrical in shape with an opening at the top for inserting the bottles. The stitch patterns used for crochet baby bottles covers can vary, but common choices include single crochet, half double crochet, or a combination of different stitches to create a texture or lacy design. Some covers may feature additional decorative elements like ribbons, buttons, or applique to add charm and personalization. Crochet baby bottle covers are often made using soft, hypoallergenic yarn that are gentle against a baby's skins, such as cotton or acrylic. These materials are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring hygiene and durability. Some covers may have adjustable closures like buttons or drawstrings to securely hold the cover in place. These covers provide insulation to help keep the contents of the bottle warm or cool for longer periods. They also serve as a protective barrier, shielding the bottle from bump and scratches. Additionally, the textured surface of the crochet covers offers a comfortable grip for babies to hold onto while feeding. It is important to note that crochet baby bottles covers are meant for decorative and functional purposes only and should not be used during eating or sterilization processes. They can be both the baby and parents. Crochet